know, it's a great pleasure to have Eastman Kodak Company with us tonight because pictures and Disneyland just naturally go together. Since Disneyland first opened in 1955, there have been more than 15 million visitors, and all you have to do is look around you to see that practically all of them are taking pictures of their many adventures here. And they enjoy their visit a great deal more because they do. You know, most everyone uses this Disneyland camera store as headquarters for Kodak film and cameras. And today, when they come in, they discover that taking pictures is easier and more fun than it ever was, thanks to Kodak's brand new automatic cameras that have just been introduced. You can see them now at your own Kodak dealers. These great new cameras that give you the right exposure time after time automatically. That's right, automatically. You can go all over Disneyland or all over the world and be sure of getting beautifully exposed pictures time after time. Now, believe it or not, this picture was taken in the shade and this one in the sun. And they're both just great. Now, isn't that a wonderful thing to know? That every picture you take can come out just right and you never have to make a single setting. So this summer, save your fun the modern way with a new automatic camera by Kodak. There's one for every kind of picture taking. For snapshots, there's the new Brownie Starmatic camera. And for beautiful color movies, the new Brownie automatic movie camera. So remember, wherever you are, whatever you do, fun's more fun with a camera by Kodak. Now, don't go away, because in just a few seconds, we'll be back with some of the most exciting adventures you've ever seen. An undersea ride in the newest submarine, and a look at the transportation of the future, the monorail, and a trip to the Matterhorn Mountain, all right here on Kodak presents Disneyland 59.
Come alive, come alive. You're in the Pepsi Generation. Come alive, come alive. You're in the Pepsi Generation.
These are the good times of a new generation, and this is the drink that helps the good times roll. Pepsi-Cola, clean and quenching, cold and bold, straight through your thirst. There's more spark to this one, more swing, more of everything that's made Pepsi the official drink of today's generation.
Come alive, you're in the Pepsi Generation.
Yeah, I think we have a problem with the passenger in 33D. Really? I'll take care of it. Okay. When I'm flying an American Airlines 747 or DC-10 to California, I try to work in the only Disneyland section in the sky. We have a lot of problems there, but they're all very small ones. What's the matter? My hat broke. Well, you can have mine.
Let yourself go into another exciting world of rollicking pirates, unbearable baritones, mermaids and sea serpents, and the liveliest spirits around. It's all just a short trip away at Disneyland. And you couldn't find a better time to visit than right now, because there's plenty of room to enjoy all your favorite adventures and attractions. So let yourself go to Disneyland.
Force has unleashed the runaway mine trains on Big Thunder Mountain, but every day, Big Thunder strikes. Big Thunder strikes. It could only happen at Disneyland.
Whenever there's a fast-breaking news story in the Magic Kingdom, you'll find journalists of real character drop everything to get the news out. Especially when it's good news. Today's good news: the unlimited use passport is here year-round. It's the one ticket that gives you Disneyland attractions all day long for one price. Disneyland's unlimited use passport. If you could use some good news right now, we've got just the ticket.
The wizardry of Lucas. The mastery of Coppola. The phenomenal music and dance of Michael Jackson. Captain EO. In spectacular 3D. Coming September 19th to Disneyland and nowhere else in the universe.
A short time from now, in a kingdom very, very near.
Artu, do hurry. The passengers are boarding.
Prepare yourselves.
Welcome aboard.
For the ultimate Disneyland thrill attraction from the imagination of Disney and George Lucas. Because now, the adventure is real. Star Tours at Disneyland. In all the universe, there is no greater thrill. Opening January 9th.
It's the 50s once again. Yes, now at Disneyland, you can blast the past. Imagine that. Grimmies and Hodads grab your surfboards and hit the sand for the Rockin'est beach party under the sun. Main Street topping with a brand new 50s parade and street show. But wait, there's more. You can win one of 5 classic 50s cars or one of 300,000 other great prizes. It's the perfect gift. And that's not all. Live sounds are going down every day to shake, rattle, and roll back the years. Isn't that amazing? So tell your friends, then be the first on your block to blast to the past at Disneyland and tell them Mickey sent you.
If you haven't been to Disneyland lately, you and your family have a lot to catch up on. Disneyland, where all the magic began. Come now and discover the perfect family vacation.
Hey, did you know that now Southern Californians get into Disneyland for just $26?
Cool hair, dude.
Southern Californians get into Disneyland for only $26. It's just too good to pass up.
Taking a ride, having a dream, moving your feet. I'm going to Disneyland. I'm going to Disneyland. Say love gets hurt in a magic word. I'm going to Disneyland. I'm going to Disneyland. I'm going to Disneyland.
A perfect day in Toontown.
There's something new at Disneyland. And it's out of control. Moving, spinning, swerving, sliding, and it never stops. Well, almost never. It's the new Roger Rabbit's Cartoon Spin in Mickey's Toontown. You're in control. You're out of control. But can you escape the dreaded dip? Head for Roger Rabbit's Cartoon Spin, new at Disneyland, and step on it.
Boy, this is fun. I'm in with the in crowd.
If you live in Southern California, you're the in crowd at Disneyland.
I'm from San Diego, and I'm in for only $22.
We're from Long Beach, and we're in for $22 each.
Now until next summer, Southern California residents get into Disneyland for just $22.
We're in!
Southern California, you're in.
I'm from Huntington Beach, and I'm in for just $22.
Now, the legend of Pocahontas comes to life at Disneyland. And your newest Disney friends are here to meet you.
And you paint with all the colors of the wind.
The spirit of Pocahontas takes flight on stage only at Disneyland. The Main Street Electrical Parade ends October 15th. Come see it shine one last time.
Hey, we've made it all the way to the end. Thank you so much for sticking around. Did you enjoy this slice of nostalgia? I'm already working on the next one, so please like the video, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more entertaining videos. I already have hundreds of great videos on this channel, and I'm always finding new content, so I ask that you please check back.